Hello, hi, namaskar, namaste. I am Priyanka and I welcome you all to my today's new video. So my lovely people, this video is dedicated to a shampoo. So this video gonna be a detailed shampoo review video. So the brand I'm talking about today is the Azani Active Care Shampoo. So I came across their website some days back and I really wanted to try some of their products. So here, this is one of them. Other than the shampoo, today I'm talking about a few other products also there. Let me try all of them and one by one I'll be reviewing all of them. So the Azani's Active Care Shampoo looks something like this. It is the Azani's Tilia Bud and Coconut Shampoo. This is a hydrating shampoo. I have been using this since I got this and after using this I felt like I don't need an extra conditioner. I just use this shampoo and after the shampoo for my hair I just use my regular serum and that's it. So what I felt after using this shampoo is this not only nourishes the scalp and the hairs from the roots to the tips, but it also moisturizes and gives a hydrating boost. Somehow I felt like this strengthened my hair from the roots itself and I really felt like this has reduced my hair falls and also control the split ends. If I talk about the texture of this shampoo, then this is white in color and has a velvety kind of finish, as this is very much soft and velvety and also glides on my scalp very easily. This makes the process of shampooing and cleaning my scalp very easy. Also something I was not expecting from this shampoo, but this produces lather very easily. I really don't need too much of product to produce lather. A spoon or a coin size of this shampoo is just enough to cleanse the scalp. Yes, this really does that conditioning effect to my hair without even using a conditioner. Just like any other product from Azani, this is also paraben and sulfate free, which is why I am really attracted towards Azani. When I came across this shampoo, the second main point that attracted me the most is that this is powered by all natural ingredients. So now let us talk about the key ingredients it has. Yes, the main two key ingredients are these two, but I am highly attracted towards the thing written over here and this thing just made me purchase it, and this is the keratin protein. We all know the keratin is really important for nails, for our hair and everything. How much keratin is important. The people nowadays are spending thousands to do a chemically keratin treatment to the hair. Why not to use a natural shampoo that has keratin proteins in it? So okay, now let's talk about these two, the Tilia buds and the coconut. I guess everybody of you knows the importance of coconut applied to our hair. From our childhood, we Indians know how much a natural coconut oil is helpful. Yes, the coconut ingredient is also added to this shampoo to give that extra amount of hydrating moisturizing effect to our hair. My mom chooses coconut oil over any other oil just because the coconut oil has main three qualities. The coconut oil applied to our scalp is really important because for the number one point, it prevents the dryness from our scalp and hereby from our hair. Due to the flakiness in our scalp, the dandruff is always produced and thus to avoid it, coconut is really important. So this is the reason coconut is a main ingredient in a hydrating shampoo, as coconut is always a major conditioning agent. Now let's talk about the Tilia bud extract added to this shampoo. You guys don't know what Tilia bud is. I also didn't know some days back, but I really researched it and I got to know that Tilia bud is also a major conditioning effect for our hair. As the Tilia bud is a major conditioning agent, this also increases the hair volume. Tilia bud also helps in retaining the scalp's moisture content. The aloe vera and the olive oil. Who else don't know that the aloe vera is the most hyped natural ingredient we ever have? Aloe vera do have many good properties, and some of them are: it soothes our scalp, conditions our hair, reduces the dandruff, increases the hair volume, and whatnot. Aloe vera is a major ingredient in any shampoo. So thus for this particular shampoo, aloe vera acts as a moisturizing agent. So the last but not the least is the olive oil. So who else don't love olive oil? Olive oil is much helpful in controlling the irritation action in the scalp and also nourishes the damaged hair. This is a major moisturizing agent in this shampoo. If you like my review about this product, because I really liked it and I will continue using this. So if you guys feel a dryness in your head and scalp, then you can really opt this product. You can shop directly from the link in my description box. I will leave the link of this shampoo from their website directly. So that's all I need to say about this particular shampoo. I hope you guys enjoyed and like the review of mine. So see you guys in my next video, which will be coming really very soon. So till then, take care of yourself and everybody around you. Bye bye.